If you haven't tried the GoMacro Kids Bars, I highly encourage you to give them a try. These are a staple in our household. We love having breakfast bars in the morning as a quick start to the day, and I'm going to share with you why these are our favorite breakfast bars. I've been a fan of the adult-sized GoMacro bars for a long time. These have 12 grams of protein. They're vegan and made with organic ingredients, and they taste really great, so I keep these usually stocked in my car for quick protein meals. And one day while I was at Whole Foods, I realized GoMacro actually has a kids bar. So obviously I went online to Amazon to see if they had them on Amazon, and they're actually even a better price on Amazon. So now I subscribe to getting the GoMacro Kids Bars sent to my house every month. They come in several flavors. We like the oatmeal chocolate chip cookie and the peanut butter cup. Here's what the ingredients look like. They're all organic and they're made with really great quality ingredients. And here's the nutrition facts. As you can see, one bar has 4 grams of protein. And this is what the oatmeal chocolate chip cookie bar looks like. It's got a little drizzle of chocolate on top, and it's a perfect size for kids. And here's what the peanut butter cup bar looks like. This one's really delicious. It smells so good, and it has a nice little drizzle of chocolate on top. So if you haven't tried these already, I highly recommend you give them a try. Check them out in my Amazon storefront. And I hope this review is helpful for you. Please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more home cooking tips and tricks and healthy organic food.